Alright guys, so today I'm going to show my Atama making some food. She's going to make some tomato rice. Tomato rice.
Hi.
So she adds some oil with ghee.
Neyi.
We're adding a little bit more oil. So as you can see, she has all her setup here. So she has one onion cut up, I think 1 or 2 tomatoes, green chilies, curry leaves, mint leaves, and then we have cinnamon, what are these, cloves, and bay leaves, and ginger garlic paste. So these are going to be the ingredients. So she's adding some jeera, So she added all of that together. Now she's frying it up. Now she's adding the mint. Give that a little mix. Delicious. In India, this is how they keep their spices, which I think is very convenient. Instead of having them all in separate dishes, you just take out one big dish and you have them all together. So we're adding turmeric, a little bit of turmeric, fry that up. Now some ginger garlic paste. Tablespoonful. Give that a good mix. Looks delicious. Some salt. Give it a good stir. And now the tomatoes. Two tomatoes? 3. Okay, we're adding 3 tomatoes, but obviously the tomatoes are smaller here, so depends on, you know, the size of the tomato. Give us a good stir. Okay. She's just gonna set aside some coriander for later, not yet. Hi, Candy. Hi. Hi. Are you helping your grandma? Ooh. Giving a good stir. So she's just letting this cook for some time so that the tomato can properly cook. She's gonna cover it for some time. Alright, so she probably left them for about 5 minutes covered, and now she's just giving it a good stir. Cover it again. So she's going to remove the rice and add it to a different bowl because I think the rice has to cool down a little bit before she adds it to the mix. So after probably, I don't know, three minutes, she's giving it another stir. She's cutting up some green chilies. I think she's gonna use it, but not right now, a little bit later. And these green chilies are not as spicy as the ones in the US. So they use several of them and they don't remove the middle part. But I don't know why the ones in the US are very, very spicy. So I usually only use 1 to 2 chilies. Unfortunately, we can't find the ones that they have here, the type of chilies that they have here. But yeah, we work with what we got. So she got a little prep going on right here. Give another stir. It's looking good. She's adding another little pan and some oil. Wondering if she's gonna do like the fry that they do, but we'll see what she's gonna make. Okay, so yeah, I think she's gonna make the fry. She has her little prep going on right here. Some peanuts in there, just a little handful, not too much. Fry those up. She has some cashews. Some jeera. Some mustard seeds. She got some curry and some green chilies. Probably gonna let those get golden brown. All right, yeah, they're golden brown now. She's adding the green chilies, the curry leaves. My mother-in-law is a gangster when it comes to cooking. I admire this woman so much. She cooks all day and everything she makes is delicious. This is a little bit of salt. Give the other dish a little stir. But I'll be okay. So basically what you want is the tomato to get mushy and cooked properly. You don't want the raw tomato. Look how delicious that looks. Delicious. We're gonna add some more rice to a different bowl. My little niece is getting some of the cashews. I think they call them kaju here, similar to cashew. All right, now she's adding the coriander. That a little stir. Oh, my favorite. I love this dessert. It's one of my absolute favorites. Pomegranate with rice and curd and sugar. Oh, the best. All right, so that's done. Oh, she's doing it a different way. Okay, this is new to me because I haven't tried it like this yet. But I'm still excited. It looks good. Very interesting. I would have never thought to add the fry with the pomegranate. Okay. All right, so here we go. Okay, so now she's adding some cilantro because I guess it's pretty much done at this point. I don't know if it's me. It's not, it's not. So it looks like we're gonna add the rice now. Here we go. Has the fire on, so she's mixing it while it's still on. That looks delicious. It's like a veggie rice stir fry, something like that. Very beautiful. And look at how fast she put it together. Like, this was, I think, less than 30 minutes. Gonna give it a taste. Add the rest of the rice and some salt, like a teaspoon. Delicious. Another taste test. See what she thinks. Very good. That was good. Is this garam masala? Okay, so she's gonna add a little bit of garam masala. Not much, just maybe like a teaspoon or less than a teaspoon, half a teaspoon probably.
Super indang.
Delicious.
Maganda siya nga papainin, may hindi naman. SO, siya nga papainin. Okay.
Done? Wow. You guys see? That was very fast, very simple. Now she's gonna make this other type of rice. How beautiful that looks. So I don't think I've tried this type of rice. I thought she was gonna make the sweet, but I think it's a sour type rice, right? Like curd rice with veggies or something like that. All right, so she's adding some salt. Giving it a little stir. How beautiful. And then once that is stirred up, she's going to add some curd. Yum. And I think that's about it, you know? Wow. Very good. Got it all set up here at the table. Now we're going to eat. Yeah, so she's just serving everybody. You guys can hear the elections going on. I mean, they already won, so it's the guy who won. Atama, concham for me, please.